Yo guys, what is up? It is the Korean Kid, and in this video, I'll be opening up this package right here. And I'm pretty sure that these are the bread toes that I ordered, but I also did order Supreme stuff last Thursday, and it hasn't gotten here yet, so this could be like a fanny pack or a sweatshirt, I'm not sure. But yeah, I'm just gonna open it up and see what it's inside.
My homies think I miss my cocoa butter kisses. I miss my cocoa butter kisses.
Alright guys, it does look like it's a Jordan 1 bread toe. Opened the box up right this time, which is like really rare for me, if you guys have watched my other unboxings. And yeah, you know, just another bread toe. I already have a pair of these that I've already worn like a few times this week. And probably my favorite Jordan 1 colorway since the top three. Just an all-around great shoe, great quality. And one thing I have noticed that I love about this shoe is that the mid panel's like really cream. Like like when you're like up close to it, you can't really tell. But when you're wearing it and you have white laces in, which I prefer, I'll show you guys the lace swap video in the description. But with white laces, the cream really pops like this, and it just looks amazing. And yeah, nothing really to say about this shoe. I already made a review on it, so if you guys want to check that out, it will be in my description. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed this little unboxing, please leave a like and subscribe. And until next time, I'm out. Peace.